Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Welcome. I'm here to share with you what I received in my monthly wellness box. I am enrolled in the Essential Rewards program with Young Living, which means every month I can customize my box and change what I order. And I love to maximize the benefits of that program. So for instance, this month, if you ordered 300 PV, then you received many gifts from Young Living that I added up is over $100 in products. But let me share with you what I ordered in my monthly wellness box, and I'm excited to share it with you. So the first thing is I ordered my replacement bottle of Thieves laundry soap. I love to have this in my house. It just ran out a couple days ago, so I'm really glad to have this back. I love the Thieves laundry soap. It's ultra concentrated, so this is 64 loads approximately. So really glad to have that back. And we have been concentrating on 4 core supplements from Young Living, and this is one of them, Essential Zyme 4. Now this is a multi-spectrum enzyme complex that's formulated to aid digestion. So got that. And a must for my shower, the Mira Shave Oil. Do you know what I love about this? I use it to shave my legs, and it's so moisturizing that I don't need to put lotion on my legs after my shower. It's really great. And my husband also uses this to shave his beard. So I love that. And what else did I get? Let's see. My all-time favorite essential oil, Northern Lights Black Spruce. I love it. I use it in my diffuser. When I smell it, my whole shoulders, they just go whoosh. Really wonderful. So I use that in my diffuser with 2 other essential oils. One is orange and one is grapefruit, and I ordered those as well because I was out. Orange. And grapefruit. So the recipe is 4 drops of grapefruit, 4 drops of orange, and 3 drops of Northern Lights Black Spruce. I saw that recipe on Facebook as a hack to make your home smell like anthropology. I love it. And anytime I have guests, they want to know what it is, especially the guys. They love it. So if you're looking for a scent in your home that the guys in your household will enjoy, then consider it because it's really wonderful. And the benefits is great for your family too. I also ordered Copaiba because I recently learned that this is a great oil to diffuse. I love it. I also have been putting it on my temples and over my heart, and it just has a calming effect. And I've been doing research on it, and I highly encourage you to do the same. So since doing research on Copaiba, I always want to have it in my house. Always. Another thing that I always want to have in my house is Progescence Plus. This is a beautiful essential oil blend, and it's for women. And the way I use it is several times a day. I put a couple of drops on my forearm, like so. and then I just rub it together. And I'm just doing something really nice for myself, and I need all the help I can get. Let's just say that. So really nice, really, really nice. So glad to have that, because I think I emptied my bottle just this morning. So the timing is perfect. Okay, so the other thing I ordered is valerian. It just recently came back in stock. I have not tried it yet. Another item to have in my arsenal to encourage sleep, and it's smelling a little bit like rutabaga, which stinks, but I love rutabaga, and I always want to have that in my house, but it's out of stock. So this smells very much like rutabaga, so I'm thinking this is going to be a good thing. Rutabaga is like put you to sleep. So valerian, I'm excited about that. I'm going to try it. So now I'm on to the items that I received for free. So these are the items I purchased because I needed them. Also, you think about, this is money I did not spend at Target or the grocery store or the vitamin shop or the body shop. But they're items that I needed. It's in my budget, but yet I am being rewarded for purchasing them through Young Living. So what did I get? I got Allerzyme. So this is a enzyme complex as well that promotes digestion. So here's the thing about Young Living supplements. They're infused with essential oils, which means they're going to get into your cells. They're going to benefit your body. So this one has tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli. So that sounds delicious. Looking forward to trying that. I also received tea tree for free. This is $26. Got that for free. My husband uses this every day. Tea tree is very cleansing and refreshing. And I'm going to start using it in my beauty routine as well. He uses it every day in his routine, but I'm going to start too and see what I like, see what I think. I also got Fennel. This is a almost $18 bottle, and this I learned can help to reduce the appearance of pores on your skin and also gives a feeling of grounding. So I'm always up for some grounding. So I'm gonna try that out, see what I think. I also received basil vitality, which is awesome. I love basil. I love fresh basil. I do a lot of appetizers with fresh basil. I can't seem to keep a basil plant alive, so I'm excited to have this in my kitchen arsenal to freshen up a few of my dishes with basil vitality. And then the last thing is dryer balls from Young Living. The cute little bag, Young Living essential oils. So I use dryer balls to in replacement of dryer sheets. No, not using those chemical laden dryer sheets. I use these wool balls instead. Put a few drops of essential oils on here and pop them in the dryer with my clothes. It reduces dryer time. Makes your house smell amazing. I like to do lemongrass, but you can use whatever you want. So over $100 in free products, and because I'm on ER, I got $60 in ER points that I can turn around and purchase something for free. It is always my goal to always get frankincense for free. And last month I got my entire Art skincare system for free. So I think I'm up to $100 again in my ER points, so I could do that again if I wanted to. So that's my box, my customizable wellness box that I can change every month and I can be rewarded for, try new products, and enjoy them thoroughly. So thanks for joining me. Have a great night. And remember to nest pretty, which means making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. And that includes using Young Living to help us feel really good, to keep us above the wellness line, to keep us emotionally happy, and just to benefit our bodies all around. Have a great night.